everybody as 10,000? My God! And they're fighting over the house in the Philippines! My goodness, ano ba yan? I have to get out of here before there's another funeral. My God, I cannot be in the scene of a crime. Oh my God, ano ba yan? Why did you do that? My God, you said you're gonna give the house to me and I'll sell that, you know? Keep the money for me. Anyways, Gloria is late again with the catering. My God, we're all hungry here. I have to go. I have to leave because I'm hungry. But I love you. Hoy! Yung mga yung mga lottery numbers, ha? Lottery numbers! You only give it to me, okay? Only to me. Okay, I love you. Oh my God, amiga!